How to see alt text on Instagram. Alt text is a feature that allows you to add a description to your photos and videos. This helps visually impaired users understand the content of your posts. It also improves searchability and engagement on Instagram. To add alt text, first, open the Instagram app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. Now, choose a photo or video from your gallery and tap on it. Once selected, tap Next in the top right corner. Here, you can apply filters or edit your image. When you're ready, tap Next again. Now, you will see a page where you can add captions, hashtags, and other details. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on More Options. In the More Options, here, tap on Write Alt Text. A text box will appear where you can enter a description of your image. Try to be clear and descriptive so that users with screen readers can understand what's in the photo. Once you've entered your alt text, tap Done to save it. Then, go back to the post settings and tap Share to publish your post. That's how to see alt text on Instagram.